Hello everyone, my name is Avtar Singh and I am aptitude trainer in Chandigarh University. Today we are going to learn topic is time and work. So in this topic we are going to learn the relation between the number of day, their efficiency and different concept we are going to learn from this topic time and work. I am sharing the PPT. Topic is time and work. In this topic, so what we are going to learn, first we are going to learn this basic concept and the formulas, then time taken by a particular person to do a piece of work. After that, we are going to find the time taken by group when more than one person is working together, maybe 2 or 3 people are working together. Then efficiency base, okay, what will be the relationship between the number of day and the efficiency? And partial work based questions we are going to cover, then wages based questions, and then alternative day when people are working on alternative day. At the end we are going to learn is MDH rule. Now first one is time and work concept. So time is total time taken by a particular person to complete a certain type of work. For example, daily you are doing the 5 unit of work and you have to make 50 unit work. So you need 10 days. Can I say you need 10 days? So in 10 days, you can complete 50 unit. Right. So from this one, we learn that efficiency when multiplied by time, that will be the total work. If I'm saying that instead of making daily 5 unit, if you are making 10 unit daily, if you are making 10 unit daily, then how many days are required to complete 50 unit? You need only 5 unit and you can complete 50 unit. Okay. Now, from this part, we learn that if your efficiency is increasing, if your efficiency become double, then time taken by you become half. This means efficiency and time taken both having the reverse relation. Now you can see here in this part, efficiency and time taken having the reverse relation. If one thing is going to increase, another thing is going to decrease. Right. So similarly, I will write down this one is time taken having the reverse relation with efficiency. Both are reverse to each other. Now, some formulas. First is A can do a piece of work in X days. B can do same work in Y days. In how many days both working together can complete the work? If both are working together, then answer will be the XY divided by X plus Y. So we can take one example. For example, A can complete work in 10 days. B can complete work in 15 days. In how many days both can complete the work? So in this case, 10 multiplied by 15 divided by sum. Sum will be the 10 plus 15 is 25. Now 10 cancel with 25. Here will be the 5 and here will be the 2. Then 50 cancel with 5 will be the 3. So can we say that 2 multiplied by 3 means 6 days. If both are working together, they need 6 days. Next one is now number of day. For example, A is taking X1 day. So efficiency of first person will be the 1 upon number of day. And we learned this in the previous slide. Okay, efficiency having the reverse relation with the number of day. If we know the number of day of so many people, then we are doing the 1 upon that number of days. So we are getting the efficiency of the each person. Efficiency means how much work they can complete in a single day. Next is the LCM method to solve the problem. Same question if I have to solve through the LCM method, what will be the concept? For example, A person can solving the work in 10 days, A, and B is completing the work in 15 days. What will be the LCM of these two numbers? LCM will be the 30. Now, 30 divided by 10 So means A is daily doing the 3 unit, 30 divided by 50, 2. That means B daily doing the 2 unit. Now here total work is equal to 30. Total work is 30. So LCM is always the total work. Now how much work A is doing daily? 3 unit. How much work B is doing daily? 2 unit. If both are working together, how much work they are completing daily? They are completing A plus B completing 5 unit. And total work is 30 unit. So 30 divided by 5, they can complete in 6 days. Now, this is known as LCM method. Now you can see that one. By this formula, we are getting 6 days. By LCM method, we are getting the same 6 days. So we can apply the LCM method also in this concept to make the solution little bit easier compared to this one. Question is, A can finish a work in 18 days. B can do the same work in half the time taken by A. A can finish work in 18 days. B is taking half the time. Half the time means B is taking only 9 days. So we have to find out what part of the same work they can finish in a single day. So how much work A can finish in single day? That is 1/18. How much work B can finish in one day? That is 1/9. Now, by solving, adding these two numbers, so we are getting 1 plus 2 by taking the LCM, that is 18 is equal to 3/18, 1/6. Daily, in a single day, they can complete 1/6 of the total work. This is also known as efficiency. And if we have to find the number of day, then we have to just do the reverse of that. That is 6. That will be the total number of day, if we have to find out that part. But now answer is 1/6. A, B, C can complete a piece of work in 24, 6 and 12 days respectively. Working together, they will complete the same work in how many days? We have to find the number of days. So A can complete work in 24, B in 6 days, C in 12 days. So now I'm taking the LCM. So what will be the LCM of these three? That is 120. Right. So 120 divided by 24, 5 unit is doing the daily 5 unit, and 120 divided by 6, it will be the 20, and 120 divided by 12, it will be the 10. Now we have to find out, working together, they will complete the same work. Now we have to add all these three numbers. That will be the total efficiency. Total efficiency is 5 plus 20, 25. 25 plus 10 is 35. So 120 divided by 35. Both are divisible by, we can say that is 5. So we are getting 24 divided by 7. So 24 divided by 7 will be the right answer. That is B. Here you can take, instead of 120, you can take even 240. It's not going to change the answer. Always remember. So you don't have to even writing down always LCM. So if you are changing the value here, instead of 120, you are taking 240, answer will be the same. But why we are taking the LCM? Because it will be easy to solve. Like here, we can take 24 also, which is the smallest number. But instead of 24, I'm taking 120, I'm getting the right answer, same answer. It's not going to affect your answer. Okay. So 24 divided by 7 will be the right answer. Next one. Find the time taken by a group of individuals to complete a piece of work. when two people or three people are working together, then how much time is required to complete the total work. Now, here is A and B are working together. 10 days, they can complete work. So I can write down here A plus B 10 day. Then B plus C 15 day. C plus A 20 days. If I'm taking the LCM of all these three numbers, so I'm getting 60 is common multiple. Here I'm getting 6. Here I'm getting 4. How 4? 60 divided by 15. Here will be the 60 divided by 20 is 3. Now, if I'm adding all these three numbers, 6, 14, and 3, I'm getting actually is 13. Now, 13 answer is when A is 2 times, B is 2 times, C is 2 times. But if I have to find out only A, B, and C, then total work will be the 13 divided by 2. That will be the total unit they are completing in a single day. And total work is this 160. Here, another side, if I'm looking at the A and B, how much work they are completing daily? They are completing the 6-unit work. A, B, C, all three together completing 6.5 unit daily. A and B completing 6 unit daily. If I have to find out the work of C, then from this part, I'm subtracting this one. So from 6.5, I'm subtracting 6, I'm getting 0.5. So this is the efficiency of C. So total work C has to do is 60 unit and efficiency of C is 0.5. So 60 divided by 0.5, that is half. It will be the 120. That means C can complete the work in 120 days. Next one. A, B, C can do a piece of work in 8 days. B and C together can complete work in 24 days. B alone can do it in 40 days, right? Time taken by C working alone. So I will write down A, B, and C complete work in 8 days. B and C in 24 days. B in 40 days. Now, if I'm taking the LCM, LCM will be the 120. And 120 divided by 8, it will be the 50. Divided by 24, it will be the 5. Divided by 40, it will be the 3. Now, next one is what we have to find out. We have to find out the time taken by C alone working, right? From A, B, C, if I'm subtracting B and C, what we will get? We will get the efficiency of A. So from ABC having efficiency is 50, right? I have to find out A. Efficiency of ABC is 50. Out of this, if I'm subtracting efficiency of B plus C, that is 5. So what I'm getting efficiency of A. So efficiency of A is 10. Efficiency of B is 3. And combined efficiency A plus B is 13. But A, B, C together efficiency is 15. That means C having efficiency of 2. So 15 minus 13 is 2. So C efficiency is 2. And total work is 120. Efficiency of C is 2. Means daily C is doing the 2-unit work. So divide by 2. So C can complete work in 60 days. So option third will be the right. Next one, they completed the school project in 20 days. How many days will Arun take to complete the same work if he is 25% more efficient than Dev? Now, if I'm talking about the efficiency, Dev and Arun Dev, if is 100% efficient, Arun will be the 25% more efficient, means Arun efficiency is 125. This is their efficiency. And we learn in the beginning, efficiency having the reverse relation with the number of days. So time is having the reverse relation with the efficiency. So time having a relation is 125 ratio 100. That is 5 ratio. So this is the ratio of the time taken by both. But as they have given, time taken by Dev is 20, and we have to find out the time taken by Arun. That we can take x because we don't know. So now solve it. 5 divided by 4 equal to 20 divided by x. 5 cancel with 20 is 4. 4 multiplied by 4 will be the 16. So x is equal to 16. That means Arun can complete the work in 16 days. Here, time taken by A to finish a piece of work is twice the time taken by B. This is 2 times. And thrice the 3 times the time taken by C. So if I'm taking the LCM, it will be the 6. So can I say that if A is completing the work in 6x days, because we are not aware about the number of days, so I can take 6x days. B can take, now A finished the piece of work in twice the time taken by B. So that means B is taking the half time. So that is 3x. Now, if I'm talking about C, A finished in thrice the time taken by C. So A is taking the 3 times more time than C. So that means C is completing in 1/3 time. So 1/3 of 6x is 2x. Now, if I'm taking the LCM of all these 3 numbers, so I'm getting 6x. Here I'm getting 1. Here I'm getting 2. Here I'm getting 3. So their efficiency is 6. So number of days, if I have to find out in how many days they can complete the work. So total work, this is total work, 6x divided by their efficiency. Efficiency is 6. So that we are getting the x. This is the number of days required to complete work when all 3 are working together. But they have given, if all 3 of them work together, it takes them 2 days to complete the work. That means x is equal to 2. So if x is equal to 2, then we have to find out how much work was done by B alone. In how many days B can complete the work. So it will be the 2 here. B is taking 3x day, but x is already given 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 means 60. So answer will be the second one. Next one. Sonal and Preeti start working on a project and they can complete the project in 30 days. Sonal work for 16 days and Preeti complete the remaining work in 44 days. How many days would Preeti have taken to complete the entire project all by herself? If Preeti working together, how many days are required? We have given Sonali, let's take in 1 day can complete X unit, Preeti can complete Y unit, right? So total this is their sum, X plus Y is equal to 1/30 because daily they are doing the 1/30 of the total work because they are taking the 30 days. Another side, if Sonali taking 16 days, so it will in 16 days can complete this work, and Preeti in 44 days can complete 44y of the total work. If I'm solving the first one also, it will be the, if I multiply by 30, it will be the 30x plus 30y is equal to 1. This is the equation 1. This is the equation number 2. If I'm solving these two one, if I can say that one, I'm subtracting second from the first one. So what I will get? I will get 14x minus 14y is equal to 0. That is X and Y are equal. Both are equal efficient. So here I am putting value, both are equal. So in both the places, I'm writing down X. This is 2X is equal to 1/30. So X is equal to 1/60. Means each completing the 1/60 work daily. That means each need 60 days to complete the total work. So Preeti can complete the entire work in 60 days. Next, A can do a piece of work in 60 days. B can do in 40 days. Both start the work, but A left 10 days before the completion of the work. Then the work was finished in how many days? So A working for 60 days, B can complete work in 40 days. A complete in 60 days, B in 40 days. Now, first, what will be the LCM? LCM will be the 120. Here, this is 2 unit and B is daily doing 3 unit. 120 divided by 40. Now, given is both start the work, but A left 10 days before the completion of the work. That means B is working 10 days more. So B is daily doing the 3 unit. In 10 days, B can complete how much work? 30 unit. So out of 120 unit, at the last 10 day, last 10 days, work done by B, which is 30 unit. I'm subtracting from this one, 120. So that means when they are working together, they are completing 90 unit work, right? So now combined efficiency of these two is 2 plus 3 is 5. So can I say that divided by 5? So they take 18 days. That means 18 days they are working together. After then, only B is working for next 10 days. So total are 20 days are required. So work was finished in 28 days. Okay. And this is base question. To complete a piece of work, Samir takes 6 days. Tanveer takes 8 days alone respectively. Smear and Tanveer took this money 2400 to do this work. When Amir joined them, the work was done in 3 days. So first we have to find out how much work both are completing together. Means Smear and Tanveer work, how much work they are completing in a single day. So 1/6 plus 1/8. So total they are completing the work is 7/24. But actually, when they are working all three together, they are completing 1/3 of the work because they are completing the work in 3 days. So from total work, if I'm subtracting the work of Smear and Tanveer, so we are getting the work of Amir. That is 1/24. So daily Amir doing the work is 1/24 and working for 3 days. So Amir is completing the work is 1/8 of the total work, and he's getting the money is 1/8 of the total money, that is 2400. So that is 300. So Amir is getting 300 rupee as a amount. Next one, A and B undertake to do a piece of work for 450 rupees. A can do work in 20 days, B can do in 40 days. With this help of C, they can finish the work in 8 days. So this is similar to previous one. A plus B. How much work they are completing in a single day? 1/20 plus 1/40. B is doing the work is in 40 days. So if I'm solving this one, I'm getting 2 plus 1 divided by 40, that is 3/40. Both working together, daily doing the work is 3/40. But if all are working together, A, B, C, they are completing the work. How much they are work completing? They are 1 upon 8. From this total, if I'm subtracting the efficiency of A and B, so what I will get? I will get the efficiency of C. From this total 1 upon 8, I'm subtracting 3 upon 40. So this will be the 5 minus 3 divided by 40. That is 2 upon 40 and 1 upon 20. Right. So question is, how much should C be paid for his contribution? And C is doing the 120th work daily and working for 8 days. So he is getting, that person is getting 2 upon 5 of the total work, 2 upon 5 of the 450. That is 90 multiplied by 2, 180 rupee. So 180 rupee, C get 180 rupee as a money. Now next one, this is the last one concept, that alternative day, based on alternative day. For example, A can complete the work in 6 days and B can complete the work in 8 days. They are working on alternative day and start with A. Then when will they complete the task? If start with A is doing the completing the whole work in 6 days. So first write down I'm 6 plus, then number of day taken by first one, that is 6 divided by another person, right? So if A begin, then work will be take is total number of day will be the X plus X upon Y. If B is beginning this work, then I will write down first number of day of B plus, then that is B upon A. Right. Now we are moving to the questions from this one. Okay. A can finish a job in 12 hours, B in 14 hours, and A, B are working together. Start with A. And if A earn 50 rupee per hour, how much does A earn through the job approximately? Right? How much that person can earn. Now, if we are solving through this by 12, like previous one, right? So 12 divided by 40. So this will be the 12, 6.7 days if they are working on alternative days. Now, before starting with the next one, we know that alternative is A is doing the first day work, B is doing the second day work, second day is done by B, third day is A, fourth day is B. That means all odd day A is working, all odd day A is working. So in first 12, A is working for 6 days. So now 12, 6 upon 7, 6 upon 7 means the 13th day. So on 13th day, who is working? A is working, because A is working on all number of days which are odd. So 6 plus 6.7. And each hour A is earning 50. So 50 multiplied by this part, right? This is approximately 7 because we have to find the approximate answer. This is approx 7. So 7 multiplied by 50, that is 350. So answer for this one will be the D, that is 350. Next one is concept of MDH concept. Here we have to write down is number of people, and D represent to number of day, T represent to time taken by them, how much time they are taking to complete the work, divided by how much work they are completing. So W is represent to work, and we are comparing with the another data which is given. Another side, number of people, number of day, how many days they are taking, how much time they are taking. So divided by work they are completing, how much work they are completing. Example is given there. Here, this is the 100-meter long wall, and the height is 3 meter and wide is 30 centimeters. So I will write down 0.3 meter. Okay. All will be in the form of meter. So this is the work done. Work done is 100 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 0.3, and completed by 30 men, 20 men, and 50 children. Now here they have given is they're all having the same efficiency, all having same efficiency, men, women, and children. So can I do that? Adding all these number 30, 20, and 50, this will be the 100. There are 100 people. They are working 9 day daily and for 20 days. So that means 20 into 9. Another side, we have to find out how long wall is. So length we have to find out. Length I will write down L. Now height is 1.5, and how much wide? Wide is 0.3 meter. Because this is in form of centimeter, I'm writing down in the form of meter. Then their working is 25, 15, 25, and 30. All are equal efficiency. Then I'm adding all. This will be the 75. Multiply by how many days they are working. They are working for 15 days. And daily they are doing 2-hour work. Right. This cancel with this one. This cancel with this one. This will be the 2. And 100 cancel with 100. 2 cancel with this one. This will be the 10. 10 multiplied by 90. This will be the 90. 10 multiplied by 9 is 19. 19 then cancel out with this one. It will be the 6. Then 6 cancel out with 75. 75 you can write down 75 multiplied by, and that is 2. That is 150. 150 divided by 6. So this will be the length. Length will be the 25 meter. Now, if 6 men, 8 boy can do a piece of work in 10 days, while 26 men and 48 boy can do the same work in 2 days, what is the time taken by 15 men and 20 boys? So 6 men plus 8 boy can do work in 10 days, means daily they are completing 1/10 of the work. Another side, 26 men plus 48 boy completing work in 2 days. Daily they are completing is half of the work. Here first part, if I multiply by 5, so what I'm getting 30m plus 40b is equal to 1/2. Why I'm multiplying this by 5? Reason being is this will be the half and this is half. Both will be the same equation. I can easily equate. So this is equation number 1 I will write down. This will be the 2. Now we can say that from second statement, subtracting the first one, what I will get? I will get 30m minus 26 is 4m minus 8b, because 40 minus 48 is equal to 0. That is 4 man is equal to 8 boy. 1 man is equal to 2 boy. So in first equation, if I convert this 6 man is equal to 12 boy. So 12 plus 8, total are 20 boy can complete work is 1/10 daily. 1 boy can complete is 1/200 work, because 20 multiplied by 10. That is the efficiency of 1 boy. Here they have given is 15 men and 20 boys. 15 men can be converted into 30 boy. 30 and 20, there are 50 boys. So 50 boy, each boy can complete work is 1/200. So they can complete work is 1/40 daily. Sorry, 1/4 daily. That is, they can complete work in 4 days. So answer will be the 4. Okay, so now we are moving to the what we have learned in this part. So we did is time and work. So here we have learned the what is the difference between the efficiency and the number of day, as both having the reverse relation. One is increasing, another is going to decrease. Then we have also learned when one person is working, when people are working in the form of group, when 2 or 3 people are working together. And we learn question based on wages. We learn question on alternative day. And at the end, we have learned new rule, that is MDH rule. Right. Thank you so much.